Video. Say hi to our subscribers. Say hi.
Hi.
How you doing, Mason?
How do you, Mason?
You don't say that. Mason, how are you doing?
Mason, how are you doing?
No.
Phoebe, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing great too.
Knuckle bump. So, what do you want to tell our subscribers or people who are watching this video?
Just red.
Red?
No, blue.
Blue.
Blue is the car, go-kart.
And blue is the best go-kart ever.
Yes, it's so fast.
Oh. It goes like that? Whoa! Okay, you can stop running now. Mason, stop running. Mason, say like, comment
everywhere,
and subscribe. Mason, stop running. Hey, Mason, what did you do today?
I crashed.
Oh, you crashed?
Yes, and here.
Oh, you crashed on the table. Are you okay?
Yes. What?
And there it goes again. This has been a daily vlog. Good. Mason? Hey, Mason. What do you like to do?
I want to go in go-karts.
You like to go on go-karts. Go-karts. Go-karts, yes.
Up and down.
I'm sick right now.
Up and down, up and down. Up and down.
Okay, stop.
Up and down, up and down.
I command you to halt.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
Stop it. Just stop. Ah, zombie! Ah, don't you dare eat my leg. What are you trying to do here? What are you trying to accomplish? There. You're not pulling me off this couch. Here. Oh, what's that?
It's a stick.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you're gonna throw snowflakes at me?
Yes. You all wet.
Snowflake attack. Okay, so say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Don't hit the camera.